Hi, this is Vizi Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change PayPal name. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Whether you need to make a minor correction to your name to bring it in line with your government issued photo ID, or you're looking to change your PayPal username for your business account, in this video I will show you how to change your name on your PayPal account. So it's very simple. You can just open your PayPal account on your mobile phone or laptop or PC. Here I'm using the PayPal website on my laptop. Now you can go to the settings by click on the gear icon in here, and you can see your profile. Here's your profile. You can see your email address, your phone number, your addresses, and here's your profile. Here's my name. If you want to change your name, you can just click on change name. You can enter your first name and also your last name. I'll change my name. Now, after you finish, click on continue. Wait. But to change your name, you need to upload a copy of your government issued photo ID. You can choose the document type, maybe like your passport, national identity card, or driver license. After that, you can upload and submit, and then you can wait until PayPal confirm your name, your document, your photo, and change your name. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change your PayPal name. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.